Hello, so in last class we were seeing the canonical form where we obtain an ellipse. So നമുക്ക് കിട്ടിയ final form ഇങ്ങനെയായിരുന്നു x double dash square by k by a plus y double dash square by k by b equal to 1. And now you can have k greater than 0, k can be equal to 0 and k can be less than 0. The case where k is greater than 0, we get a normal equation of the ellipse. So that is the equation of the real ellipse. And when k equal to 0, k equal to 0 വരുമ്പോൾ, so you will get x double dash square plus y double dash square equal to 0. So we obtain the point 0, 0 in that case. So it is called the point ellipse or the null ellipse. And when k is less than 0, so we are not getting a real value in that case. So x double dash square plus y double dash square is equal to a negative number. So that is not a real equation. So therefore, so it is called an imaginary ellipse. So those are the three classifications depending on the value of k. And now let us look into the next form. So the canonical form of hyperbola. Now we obtain a hyperbola when, so again delta must be not equal to 0 and d must be less than 0. So in this case we obtain a hyperbola. So if d less than 0, then നമ്മൾ transformation ചെയ്ത് കഴിയുമ്പോൾ we will get d to be capital AB, അതായത് h ന്റെ term d AB minus h square ആണ്. So h 0 ആയി കഴിയുമ്പോഴത്തേക്കും, so we will get d equal to AB. So then d is equal to AB, that must be less than 0. Now AB will be less than 0 provided a and b cannot be 0. A യും b യും 0 ആവാൻ പറ്റില്ല. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് എക്സ് ഡാഷിൻ്റെയും വൈ ഡാഷിൻ്റെയും കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് അവിടെ ഉണ്ടാവും, എക്സ് ഡാഷ് സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെയും വൈ ഡാഷ് സ്ക്വയറിൻ്റെയും കോഎഫിഷ്യൻ്റ് ഉണ്ടാവും. ആൻഡ് ദിസ് ഇസ് നെഗറ്റീവ് ഇഫ് they are of the opposite signs. So if the product has to be less than 0, one has to be positive and the other has to be negative. So none of a and b is 0 and moreover a and b have opposite signs. Now let us assume that a is greater than 0 and b less than 0. So without loss of generality, let us assume that a greater than 0 and b less than 0. And now let us not go into the details. അപ്പോൾ ഇത് നമ്മൾ എലിപ്സ് ചെയ്ത കേസ് തന്നെയാണ് വരുന്നത്. Now x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta and y equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta and shifting the origin. So this is the final form we get. So we get the equation as, so we are going to get in the final form x double dash whole square by k by a plus y double dash whole square by k by b equal to 1 when k is not 0. ഇനി നമുക്കറിയാം ഇവിടെ എയും ബിയും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. Sorry, A and B will be of the opposite sign. So let us look at what is the form of equation when k is greater than 0. Now we have assumed the case where A is greater than 0 and B is less than 0. അപ്പം k പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, ഇത് രണ്ടും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്, കെയും എയും പോസിറ്റീവ് ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് വരും, ഇവിടെ k is positive, b is negative, so here you will have negative. So if k is greater than 0, the equation take the form, so it will take the form x double dash whole square by some alpha square. Positive ആണ്, അതുകൊണ്ട് നമുക്ക് you can represent it as alpha square for some alpha. Then this is negative, അപ്പം ഇവിടെ ഒരു മൈനസ് വരും, minus y dash square by beta square equal to 1. So this is the equation when k is greater than 0. So it is the equation of hyperbola. In the canonical form. And again, if k is less than 0, so if k happens to be less than 0, we'll get x double dash whole square minus alpha square varum plus k negative ആണ്, അതുപോലെ b യും നെഗറ്റീവ് ആണ്, അപ്പോൾ ഇവിടെ പോസിറ്റീവ് വരും, y double dash whole square by beta square equal to 1, or that implies, so you will get x double dash whole square by alpha square minus y double dash whole square by beta square equal to minus 1. So it is also the canonical form of hyperbola. So here we are having a conjugate hyperbola. Appam ee രണ്ട് equations they will be forming a conjugate hyperbola. So it is also canonical form of hyperbola. So let us look at how to solve the problem. So show that the equation 7x square minus 48xy minus 7y square minus 20x plus 140y plus 300 equal to 0 represents a hyperbola. And find its canonical equation. So first we need to show that it represents a hyperbola. So delta must be not equal to 0 and d must be less than 0. So here a is 7, h is minus 24, b is minus 7, g is minus 10, f is 70 and c is equal to 300. So therefore d will be determinant. So the diagonal entries will be a, b, c. So and here you will have h value minus 24, minus 24, and here you will have g minus 10, minus 10, and here you will have 70, and here also 70. So evaluate the determinant. For determinant, you can see that the determinant will be not equal to 0. So I leave it to you to find out the value of determinant. Then d is equal to ab minus h square. So that will be minus 49 minus 24 whole square. So obviously this is less than 0. So therefore delta not equal to, sorry, this is delta. So delta not equal to 0 and d is less than 0. So therefore the equation will represent a hyperbola. So therefore equation represents a hyperbola. Now let us use the transformation. So rotating the axis to an acute angle theta, the equation transforms to so we are using x equal to x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta, and y is equal to x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta. So we will get 7 x square ആണ്. അപ്പോൾ 7 x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta whole square minus 48 x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta into x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta, then minus 7 y square for x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta whole square, then minus 20 x x dash cos theta minus y dash sin theta varum plus 140 x dash sin theta plus y dash cos theta plus 300 equal to 0. Now let us take the coefficients. അപ്പോൾ x dash square in the coefficient 7 cos square theta varum, then minus 48 cos theta sin theta and minus 7 sin square theta, then coefficient of x dash y dash will be minus 14 cos theta sin theta, and from here you will get x dash y dash in the minus 48 cos square theta, then plus 48 sin square theta varum, then coefficient of y dash square is 7 sin square theta, then plus 48 y dash square and plus 48 sin theta cos theta, then minus 7 cos square theta varum, and for x dash you will have minus 20 cos theta plus 140 sin theta, and for y dash you will have 20 sin theta plus 140 cos theta plus 300 equal to 0. Now we need to find theta such that the coefficient of x dash y dash is equal to 0. So make the coefficient of x dash y dash 0. So that implies, so we will get 48 cos square theta minus sin square theta plus